All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So this is a problem that I've seen in a couple of emails from you guys. So let's look at it. So right here, we have the law of sines, and we're going to use it to solve for a missing side of this triangle. So here we go. Triangle EFG. So first of all, let's label this EFG. Again, where you label them doesn't really matter. So I'll go EFG. Okay, in triangle EFG, little e is 690 inches. So little e is going to be across the triangle, so on the opposite side of big E. So here's little e. So this is 690. See here, angle F is 94 degrees, so we'll put that right here. 94. Angle G is 46 degrees. And we need to find the length of little g right here. So I'll put a little question mark there. Okay, so the law of sines says the sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B. Another way to write this, sometimes you guys will see it as A over the sine of A equals B over the sine of B. Mathematically, these are the exact same. You can either go for the top one or the bottom one. Either way, it's totally the exact same thing. Now, in our picture here, you guys probably notice we don't have angle A or B. We have E, F, and G. Well, A and B, they're just placeholders. You can call them A and B, E and F, F and G, X and Y, whatever you want. It's just saying that these go together and these angles go together. So, looking at my picture here, I could do like the sine of E over 690 equals the sine of 46 over our question mark. But in order to do that, I need to know how much this angle is first. So if I don't know the measure of angle E, I'm going to be solving for two unknowns, E and this question mark. So first let's solve for that angle E. Well, we know all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So I'll add up our angles, 94 plus 46 plus measure of angle E equals 180 degrees. We add these two together, we get 150 plus the measure of angle E equals 180. We subtract 150 from both sides, those are going to cancel out. And the measure of angle E equals 30. Okay, so I'm going to plug that in right there. 30. Okay, now that I know my angle, now what I can do is I can do the sine of 30 over 690 equals the sine of 46 over question mark. Now, a lot of you might be wondering, why did we go 30? Why didn't we use our 94? Well, the thing with 94 is that we don't know its opposite side. If I knew its opposite side here, sure, then I could use it. But since I don't, it's not going to help us out in this equation. So sine of 30 over 690 equals the sine of 46 over question mark. Sine of 30 over 690 equals the sine of 46 over question mark. Okay, now we're going to cross multiply. So we have 690 times the sine of 46 over, or sorry, I should say equals, instead of question mark, actually, I'm just going to call it x. It might make it a little bit easier for this part here. So let's just call this x. Okay, and then we're going to cross multiply these ones. X times the sine of 30. Now, I could have just kept a question mark, but you guys are more familiar with seeing x. Okay, I got to get the x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by the sine of 30. Those will cancel out. Divide by the sine of 30. Okay, so 690 times the sine of 46 divided by the sine of 30 equals x. Type that in on your calculator and you will get your answer. Alright, if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to let me know. Email me and I'll try and make more videos as they're needed. Alright, have a great day.